Okay, welcome back to segment 3. So we're talking about only one point per post, and we're making sure it's customer focused. So this time what we're going to do is we're going to expand on whatever that point is. So last time I told you that I make the quietest lawnmowers there are. Well, that's easy to say, but it doesn't really give the customer anything to hang on to. And so in my third post here, I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to pretend that this is my secret ingredient, and it's called the Astro Baffle. It is the one thing that makes my lawnmowers stand apart from all the others. So I'm not just making a claim that my lawnmower is the quietest one. It's because of a particular piece of technology that I've developed called the Astro Baffle. This is another example of how one segment at a time you pull someone in to the thing that you're presenting, and you gain credibility, you gain interest, and you just leave them with that one thing to remember. If you would like content like this for you or your business, call, text, or email me.